67 divided by 2. To divide 67 by 2, we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, then 2 times 4, 8. Okay. To find the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. This will continue. 2 goes into 6 how many times? Look, 2 goes into 6 3 times. Right, 3 times 2, 6, subtract 0, bring down this 7. 2 goes into 7 how many times? Look, 4 times 8, which is greater, so we have to stop here. 4 times 4, 2 goes into 7, 3 times. 3 times 2, which is 6. 3 times 2, 6. Subtract, you are getting 1. That is, your answer is 33, remainder 1. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal and you are allowed to write any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. Before this 0, there is a decimal point, so this decimal point must come to the question directly. 2 goes into 10 how many times? Look, 5 times. Write 5, and 5 times 2, 10. And you are done.